Mosinee, Wisconsin is home to the Central Wisconsin Airport, known as CWA, and also home to one of Endeavor Air's 10 maintenance stations. CWA boasts an exceptional quality of life for those who venture north and call this area home. Our station offers a beautiful hangar with mostly overnight aircraft maintenance services, fueled by an experienced workforce that maintains multiple aircraft every night. CWA is also home to what's called a Special Visit Line, or SVL team, that tackles critical projects that help ensure our fleet is healthy and ready to meet the needs of the operation. As you consider a career with Endeavor, take into account the lifestyle benefits of working here in CWA. During your time off, if you're someone who loves the outdoors, from hiking the hills and enjoying rolling river views, or casting a line under the sun, you can't beat this location. If you're just starting your adventure in aviation, CWA offers an unmatched launching point. And if you're looking for a change of scenery, we promise you'll be hard-pressed to find a community and company more welcoming than Endeavor here in CWA.